Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. Today let's see how to make the Amritsari Bhuna Murg. So I have 750 grams of chicken here. I'm going to marinate it with 1 tablespoon of degi mirch powder, 2 tablespoons of anardana powder. This gives an amazing flavor to the chicken curry. Half a teaspoon of kasuri methi, a heaped teaspoon of garlic paste, a heaped teaspoon of ginger paste, half cup of yogurt and 1 cup of finely chopped onion, and mix this well. I haven't added salt to this marination because if I add salt, the raw onions will sweat and our marination will become slightly watery, which I don't want. Let's keep this aside for at least half an hour to 45 minutes. The longer you marinate it, the better it would taste. So let's keep this aside. Now after marinating the meat for almost an hour, I'm going to heat 3 tablespoons of oil. The oil is hot. Let's add an inch of finely chopped ginger and 4 cloves of garlic that is finely chopped. And we're going to saute this till it becomes slightly golden in color. The ginger and garlic have turned golden. I'm going to add 4 slit green chilies. And then immediately I'm going to add a tablespoon of degi mirch powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric. Quickly just stir this and I'm going to add the marinated meat to this and saute this chicken for 5 minutes on a high flame. Now after 5 minutes of bhunoing or sauteing this chicken, I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter to this and continue sauteing this. You can see the fat is separating on the sides here. Now we'll add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes to this and continue to saute it, bhuno it. So while we are doing this process of bhunoing, the chicken is getting cooked in its own juices and with the moisture from the tomatoes and the onions. The flame is still on a high and I'm going to continue to saute this till the tomatoes have got cooked, soft and mushy. The tomatoes have turned soft and mushy. Let's add the salt. I'm going to add a tablespoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder. I normally roast the coriander and the cumin seeds before I make them into a powder. I'm going to continue sauteing this. As you can see, in spite of not adding water to this, a beautiful gravy is getting formed. This is because of the moisture from the onion, tomatoes and the yogurt. So we've been sauteing this chicken for almost 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to sprinkle a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it well. And now just cover this and cook it on a low flame till the meat is done, which should take about 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. We've kept the chicken to cook and it's ready. I can see the meat is off the bone. I'm going to remove this in a serving bowl. And let's garnish this with a dollop of fresh cream, finely chopped coriander, juliennes of ginger and finely chopped green chilies, And the Amritsari Bhuna Murg is ready to be served. You can have it with parathas or any bread of your choice. It's a very simple recipe. Do try it and let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.